there's something called international customary law. Now, these are fundamental principles that have stood the test of time. And these principles are governing us. Even some references go back beyond the creation of the United Nations, that humanity has accepted and is a part of the process. Some of these are very important in the context of the protection of women and children. Everybody will be held responsible for these. So, for example, the principle of distinction. This principle is civilians, particularly women and children, must be distinguished from combatants and protected. So, as international organizations who work in the field, they need to be responsible for the principle of distinction that these individuals are combatants and these individuals are non-combatants. This is a very important point that even if, like I said, warring parties are not signatories to treaties, they're still bound by these and also international organizations operating in those areas. The prohibition to attack on civilian objects from schools, hospitals, and other civilian infrastructure. They must not be targeted or destroyed. And international organizations who are operating in these zones, they also are held responsible to that. I know some of the recent events in Gaza resulting in the bombing of schools and hospitals is a straight violation not only of international law, but international customary law, meaning if Israel didn't even sign those agreements in the first place, they still would be held responsible for the violation.